Okay, so today we are going to see about the record trigger flow super batch unit. Right, so here we have the record trigger flow and the super batch unit. So first, so we need to complete this small module. Just open this record triggered flow basics. Right, so we have four four modules. Okay, now let's see the first one. Get started with the trigger flows. Okay, so if you want to automate a process to run every time a contact is added to account, so which type of flow is best suited to a task? See, whenever we created an account contact, right? So automatically we need to create an account also. So that is what the triggered flow. So screen flow is nothing but what you have to provide the inputs. Auto
Mm.
launcher flow is nothing but what? So we have to launch with the help of a process builder, advanced flow. Right. So triggered flow is nothing but what? So we are writing a backend logic. Based on that logic, each and every time it will be executed. So answer is C. Next. So which record triggered flow options do you send the subscription renewal after 1 month before the current subscription expires? Fast field update, relate, related records and action, run asynchronously, scheduled path. See here, after some time we are executing some events. Right, nothing but what obviously that is the scheduled path. Right. So check this challenge. Done. So we successfully completed the first task.